all, hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic जिसका नाम आपने केमिस्ट्री में भी सुना होगा एंड फिजिक्स में भी आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. Today we are going to talk about the Tyndall effect which is related to the scattering of light. अब यहाँ पे Tyndall effect को आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं and if you are getting any doubt, any query in that, please drop it in the comment box. Let's start it. When I'm talking about Tyndall effect, as you can see here, when a light is passing from pure water, we are not able to see its path. But here, in this solution, we are able to see the path of light ray. What is that? That is arising because of the Tyndall effect. That effect is known as Tyndall effect. That is arising because of the scattering of light. Let's see that. What is that? The phenomena of scattering of a beam of light by the colloidal particles. So colloidal particles की अगर हम बात करें, जहां पे colloidal particles present होते हैं, जहां पे particle का size बड़ा होता है, जहां पे वो scattering कर पाते हैं light rays की और light के path को visible कर देते हैं, that is something which is known as the Tyndall effect. So the phenomena of scattering of a beam of light by the colloidal particles when passed through a colloidal solution is called the Tyndall effect. और इस effect को हम बच्चों कहते हैं Tyndall effect. Now few important points that we need to remember from this Tyndall effect. The first one, Tyndall effect occurs in a heterogeneous mixture. I hope you all remember the heterogeneous mixture. There are two kind of mixtures, homogeneous एंड हेट्रोजेनस, जो हमने केमिस्ट्री में भी पढ़े हुए हैं. होमोजेनस मिक्सचर वो होता है जिनके कंपोनेंट्स को हम नेक्ड आइज से देख पाते हैं नहीं देख पाते हैं, दैट इज होमोजेनस. हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर्स वो मिक्सचर्स होते हैं जिनके कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स को हम क्लियरली देख पाते हैं, लाइक द एग्जांपल वाटर एंड सैंड. और अगर हम होमोजेनस मिक्सचर्स की बात करें, वाटर, शुगर, राइट, इफ इट इज कंप्लीटली डिसॉल्व्ड. ओके, so homogeneous mixture containing minute particles like smoke, water droplets, dust and air molecules. When light encounters these particles, it becomes diffusively reflected, making the beam's path visible, and that is something which is causing the Tyndall effect. It is prominently seen in sunlight entering a smoke-filled room, where the scattered light makes the path of light beam visible. Now, if I'm talking about the example, one of the example is a dense canopy. We are able to see. I hope आप सबने ये चीज नोटिस करी होगी. मे बी आप कभी किसी dense forest में जाते हैं तो वहां पे इस तरीके से हमको beams visible होती हैं. That is because of the Tyndall effect only. Okay, so that is all about the Tyndall effect. If you are having any doubt, any query regarding that, you can ask me your doubt. You can ask me your questions in the comment box. Thank you all for joining. I hope you all enjoyed it.